Hello Elfers! I know a lot of you guys have a second battery, a spare battery for your elves sitting at home, and I also know that you're very keen on DIY projects. So I think I have a suggestion for you that will give this second battery a new life and hopefully keep it running on the long term. And I've made a little, I've made it myself. I've made this what I call this elf power box, and I'll show you how it works now. Enjoy! So here's the diagram I made. So essentially there's the main switch which completely cuts off the battery from any electronics, and then is the little switch for the DC bulb. And actually on the actual inverter, most inverters have a switch themselves because, as you know, with even no load on, they will consume quite a lot of power, between 5 and 10 watts. So there you go. Pretty straightforward. I've made a parallel connection so that I've got the 48 volt coming out of the box, which allows me to recharge it through any adapter you want, the original ELF charging adapter or solar system, as I'll show you in a bit. And that's it. The rest is pretty much electrical dices and fuses. So here's the 170 watt solar panel. As you can see, the sun is high in the sky in September. Here's the ELF power box with a cheap charging controller. Discharge rate is discharge rate of the battery. So right now I'm not using anything, so it's not showing any watts. But if you look here, which is on the output of the charge controller, it shows that I'm charging at 106 watts, 100 watts. The little XT60 socket I've designed here. That's my light switch. That's my main switch here. My two USB ports. I will tidy things up. But basically I've put a slot for the battery there and a connection that will not need to be removed since there's a power switch. My inverter, the big blue box here, and DC-DC buck controller down there. So it gives me a maximum of 150 watts of AC power here. Little review on the ELF power box, which is currently powering the laptop over there. Which is actually charging the battery, so pumping a lot of current. And the screen here and the lamp over there on AC current, 220 volts. And also this little 48 volt bulb that I've installed directly on the continuous current circuit here. So right now we're using 150 watts, 60 watts. Yeah. And the battery is doing really well. It's a very nice backup system in case of a power cut. I've added the list of the components I've used down in the description of this video. Thanks for watching, bye.